Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw leads from LandVoice CRM, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of withdrawing leads from LandVoice CRM, first, log into your LandVoice account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your lead data. Locate the Leads section on the left-hand menu. Click on Leads to access the full list of your current leads. In the Leads list, you will see various filters at the top of the screen. Use these filters to sort or narrow down the leads you want to withdraw. For example, you can filter by status, date, or specific criteria relevant to your needs. After applying the desired filters, select the leads you wish to withdraw. You can select individual leads by checking the box next to each entry. Alternatively, to withdraw all filtered leads, check the box at the top of the list to select them all. Once you have selected the leads, look for the Export or Download button, typically located at the top of the list. Click on this button to initiate the export process. A prompt may appear asking for your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. Choose your desired format for easy access and analysis. After selecting the format, confirm your choice to begin the download. The leads will now be compiled into a file and downloaded to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your device's designated download folder. Open the file to verify that all selected leads have been successfully exported. You are now ready to use the withdrawn leads as needed for your business strategies. Remember to regularly check and manage your leads to stay organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.